What's going on, guys? It's JR Shelby with Palm Harbor Homes here in Victoria. We're currently standing in our Benbrook model. Now this Benbrook model is a little unique. It's an aged unit from 2019. Right now we are selling this home for $25,000 less than what we normally sell it for. It normally goes for about $115,000 and we're gonna be in the ballpark of $90,000. We need this home gone. If you're looking for a home and you're wanting a double wide, not sure if you can afford a double wide, this is the home for you. Please reach out to us if you've got any questions about this home. We're going to show you around and just kind of introduce you to the home and let you get a feel for it. Alan, if you please kind of show them around. We're going to start off in the master bedroom. Let's take a look at the master bath. Nice big soaker tub. You got a walk-in shower. Come back out to the living room and the kitchen, kind of show you around that. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath for $90,000. Let that sink in, folks. Let's walk down the other side of the house. So if you've got, let's say, a mother-in-law that wants to move in with you guys, we've got the perfect room for her. One of these bedrooms acts as a second master. It's got the bathroom inside the room. I'm going to let Alan show you the other 2 rooms in the utility room, and I will meet you guys back in the kitchen. What do you guys think? This is a solid home, guys. Again, 4-bedroom, 3-bath for $90,000. You're saving $25,000. But just know that is this exact home. We can't order a house for that price. It's got to be the one we've got on our lot. We will clean it up for you. But if you've got any questions, please give our store a call at 361-571-2171, or you can reach out to me personally at 936-730-8734. Let us know if you've got any questions at all. Please schedule a time to come walk through it. We look forward to seeing you soon, and I hope you guys have a great day.